Hello everyone, so welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again, and in this video tutorial I will teach you how to convert or how to make mp4 to mp3. So now let's get started. The first thing that we gotta do is you need to have one software that installing that have been already installed inside your PC. It is called a log3gp SP mp4 converter here. So you're gonna find it and download it inside your Google search by typing this name. Okay, now we're gonna copy that and to find it for you like this, and you can search it inside the Google search here. And here is the way that we're gonna show you that will allow you to download anything, any size in the Google search here. So after you have already downloaded and installed it inside the PC, you need to double click to open it, and the software is look like this. And here is my videos here. That is there's two videos here. So now we're gonna drag it like this, drag and drop it like this. If you see something that is happening like this, it means the list of file failed to load. So you need to change the name to change its names, rename it to anywhere what you want, to English. All is English. So you need the software is support the English version. So you can completely drag it all or one by one, just like this. Okay, after you have been already drag it, it will show you wing like this. It is the file names and the file size, and on this place you're gonna see output folders. It means after you have been already converted, it will drop that file to the mp3, and it will drop the mp3 file to that folder. So you can click on a shortcut here to find that file name or file size by opening like this. So now it is not yet convert, so it's not showing you or not appearing yet. So now I'm gonna show you that the file is an mp4 type here. So it is an mp4, and the type of file mp4 file. So okay, now we're gonna drag it like this, and in this output format you're gonna choose whatever you want. For example, if you are using an audio or want to convert it to the audio, you need to select on the audio here, and you will see something that is M4A, or M4A is for an Apple version, for an iPhone version. For example, the ringtone of the iPhones. But the mp3 is completely different from m4a or like this. It is the file name of audio, so there are a lot of file names that is completely different audio format. So thing that you're gonna do is you need to select mp3 MPEG layer 3 here. So you need to make sure that all software that you're gonna do or you're gonna convert, I think you have a lot of software inside the Google search, but thing that you're gonna know about it, make sure that mp3 is have three formats. One is a layer 1, layer 2, and layer 3. So layer 3 is generally used worldwide in the world, and it is support all type of format, the phone, tablets, or computer. It is support all. So I recommend you to choose a layer 3 audio mp3. Okay, now I'm gonna click on that. You can some software you will see mp3 layer 1, layer 2, but I recommend you to use the layer 3. And here is the audio quality. It means the volumes of your audios or the quality of audios. So you're gonna choose that one as a recommend is 120x. Okay. And here is the volume. If you are closing all the volume, it will not. You will not hear anything from that music because the volume is turned off. So I recommend you to keep it in 100% of volumes, or you can keep it by default. After you have been already set up here, thing that we're gonna do more is click on convert on the top bar here. So now gonna click on convert that, and it is complete because the file is very small. The file size is too small. After you have been already converted, you need to go directly to that folder that have been drop your mp3 file to the folder side. So now I'm gonna open that, and here is the mp3 file that called file 2 and file 2. Now I'm gonna right click on that and see on property that you will see mp3 format sound mp3. And now you can gonna double click on that to open. It is a real mp3 and okay, the sound is completely mp3. So, and you can also even drag it all the file inside the folder or completely folder just like this by selecting like this and drag it like this. Okay, so this is the two of the files 1 and 2. So now gonna click again to convert it all files in one time. So click on that. Okay, it is a noun error. When you see something that is a noun error, it means the file is already converted, or it means you have to remove something, or you can to delete everything just inside this because it can be a duplicate file. So now I'm gonna delete it and drag it up again. So yes, and now we're gonna click on convert things. Okay. Okay, if you hear you see something that is error like this, now I'm gonna show you again. When I try to convert it, there is something that's showing you that unknown error. Unknown error. When you see that, you need to do one more thing. Now I'm gonna delete it, and okay, you need to change the file folder here. Drag it to the desktop. I don't know what is happening like that, but it is an experience of converting that I have been using it for a long time ago. That is the experience that how to fix any error. I don't know why it is happening like that, because the file is sometimes the same file, the mp4 type, but it's completely different. One is work and the other is not work. So now I have already changed the folders to the desktop. Okay, now I have been already changed the folders file size, the file here to the desktop. I drag it from this folder, and now we're gonna start it again. What is happening now? So go ahead and click on converting, and now you see it. It is complete. I don't understand about it very well, but this is an experience that it always have an occur errors, and if you want to fix that, you need to change the drive folders. So for example, you are using in drive D, you can change it to drive C or to the desktop to convert it. And now the file is already complete. Let's check it out. Okay, the file is here now, became an mp4 now, mp3 now, and the file size is mp3, and you can now okay, you can now use the mp3 by converting from the video to the mp3. So I hope you can guys understand about it, and make sure that you have do all the following steps inside the video, and don't skip my the video. So thank you for watching my video tutorial from Khmerue Teams Official Channel.